move on now. Rajasthan Governor Kalyan Singh has stoked a row after his comment that the word Adhinayak in the national anthem needs to be edited out as it praises the British rule. Kalyan Singh suggested that the word Adhinayak must be replaced with the word Mangal. And in fact, Kalyan Singh made these comments at the 26th convocation ceremony of the University of Rajasthan. Soon after the poem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore in December 1911, it had sparked off a similar debate. Even at that time, Tagore himself rejected the charge in 1937, and now Kalyan Singh has set off the debate once again, triggering an uproar.
जब जॉर्ज पंजम हिंदुस्तान आए थे उस समय रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर ने उनकी प्रशंसा में यह गीत लिखा था, जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। मैं रविन्द्रनाथ जी टैगोर के प्रति बड़ी श्रद्धा रखता हूं। समय जैसा रहा होगा उन्होंने लिखा होगा, लेकिन हम उसी को दोहराते रहें, जरूरी है क्या? इसीलिए एक सर्वदलीय बैठक हो और संसद में इसमें संशोधन होना चाहिए।
I think we have to be clear that the first step for this cannot be taken without unanimity, not mere consensus, but unanimity. Changing or tinkering with the national anthem is not an easy task. It should not be trivialized.
For this minister has courage, ask him. We will not agree Rabindranath Tagore's national anthem, then let him see what happens in the country. So the BJP should understand, BJP cannot raise all such issues just to create communal tension all over the country.
जहाँ तक जनगण मन हमारा जो राष्ट्रगान है, जब से बना है तब से इसके बारे में इस प्रकार की एक कंट्रोवर्सी रही है, और लोग कहते हैं कि जो जॉर्ज पंचम जब मुंबई के अंदर आए थे, उस समय की बम्बई में जब आए थे, उनके स्वागत में एक गान लिखा गया था। कुछ लोग आजकल बोलते हैं कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं, लेकिन अधिनायक जो शब्द है, अधिनायक शब्द का अर्थ ही रूलर होता है, राजा होता है, शासक होता है। तो मुझे लगता है इस पर निश्चित रूप से हम लोगों को जो है ध्यान देना चाहिए। और हम एक स्वतंत्र देश हैं, आजाद देश हैं, अगर हम अपने देश को इज्जत नहीं देंगे फिर दूसरा कौन देगा?
कहीं ना कहीं इसमें आरएसएस की बू नजर आ रही है, जिसमें इस देश की संस्कृत बदलने की बात कही है, इस देश की शिक्षा पद्धति को बदलने की बात कही है। उसी के अंतर्गत यही बात आ रही कि देश का राष्ट्रगान भी बदल दिया जाए। देश का राष्ट्रगान बहुत उचित है, अगर कोई बदलाव किया जाएगा तो ये बाबा रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर का अपमान होगा, इतना कह सकते।
Remove Adhinayak from the national anthem. Amending the national anthem bigger than India's real priorities. Call us in at 01204807310. Pick up your phones now and call us in with your views on that number. Sandeep is calling us now from Bhubaneswar. Sandeep, go ahead.
Good evening, ma'am. Actually, this has hurt me. From yesterday I have been watching. But let me tell you, I do not know why a person who is occupying a constitutional position is passing out such silly remarks. It hurts the national sentiment. Let me go back actually a little bit of literature. In Mahabharata, 5 Pandava brothers requested Lord Krishna to become their Adhinayak. Okay. As they were thinking that he is the incarnation of God. Second thing, he refuted. Lord Krishna refuted. He wanted to drive the wrath of the chariot of Arjun. Okay. So he became a driver. Okay. So if when we chant, when we pray to God, we pray 3 times. Okay. And since it is a poem which is accepted as a national anthem, you must look at the wordings. Jana Gana Mana. Mana means Mana, nobody cannot be the Adhinayak. It has to be deeply analyzed. Man means only God can be Adhinayak. So he is made to tell.
Okay.
Yeah, God. It is
all right. So basically, you're trying to say that the interpretation at this point is very superficial, and that's not how it should be read. Sandeep, many thanks for getting us your views on that controversy that has now erupted with the Rajasthan Governor Kalyan Singh saying that the word Adhinayak should be removed from the national anthem because it refers to the British rule. We had a caller there saying that it's a poem and it has to be read in layers and not superficially, as is perhaps being done at the moment by some. Brijesh Pandey is now joining us with more details. Brijesh, of course, that's a view that Kalyan Singh holds. We also heard one of the BJP leaders talking about the same. But is the entire BJP actually thinking on the same lines, or is it just a fragmented voice we heard from one of the people?
Well, Maha, according to people we spoke to, I think it looks like it's a fragmented voice you heard, because, you know, there are people when we spoke to, they said that these are absolutely mindless controversy, and it's a controversy which takes away the kind of work the government is doing. And since the post of the government is apolitical, there should not be any politicization or attempt to stoke any controversy while being in that particular chair. So the BJP, central BJP especially, is clearly trying to distance themselves from this statement of Rajasthan Governor Kalyan Singh. Maha?
All right, Brijesh, many thanks for joining us with those details. M.N. Singh is now joining us. He's an expert on Rabindranath Tagore. Sir, if you can help us understand, what exactly does the word Adhinayak mean in the national anthem?
Well, that stands for the people of India. Basically, the leadership is in the hands of people. That's exactly what he meant, that Tagore had meant at that point in time.
So you believe that it's been grossly misread by the Rajasthan governor and some other people who want it amended?
I don't know. It's not a new controversy. I'm not talking about a particular misreading. This misreading has been there in the public mind because of some people's, advocation. This is how it should mean, but that's not exactly what he did. So, and this was not a new controversy.
Right.
Time and again, people raise this issue, but
yes.
Basically, it's meant for the people of India who should now give lead and come forward.
And as you're pointing out, this controversy is not new. It had happened when the poem was written also, which was later adopted as the national anthem.
Lifetime.
Yes, yes. So did Tagore clarify what he meant by Adhinayak?
He answered already,
Okay.
Something he's answered.
All right. So do you think there is too much of misinformation with regards to that word and it should be clarified now?
Yeah, it should be clarified. It should be set it right and finally, actually.
All right. Many thanks, Mr. M.N. Singh, for joining us here on India Today. So clearly, he's an expert on Tagore who says that Rabindranath Tagore had himself clarified that the word Adhinayak stands for the people who hold power in a democracy, because they are ultimately the people who choose their representatives. And it clearly, the word doesn't mean the rulers, which at that point was thought to be the British. And even now, that controversy has re-emerged with Kalyan Singh saying that it should be amended to remove the word Adhinayak. All right, we're getting another caller. Mr. M. Chopra is calling us from Gurgaon. Sir, go ahead.
Madam, word Adhinayak means leader, ruler. We didn't have democracy at that time.
Okay.
This poem was written to welcome George V. I fully agree with Mr. Kalyan Singh. This word Adhinayak should be removed.
All right, there you have it. There's another view there coming now that is in support of Kalyan Singh. One of the callers from Gurgaon saying that this word should be removed because at the point that this poem was written, which was later adopted as national anthem, was praising the British. Joining us now on the phone line is Joshua. He's calling us in from Trichy. Joshua, go ahead.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening. Regarding these issues, what they have raised is correct, because what they have raised is saying that the Mangal should come in, that's okay. But there are still there are more issues which is going on in the country, but BJP is not taking note of that. But they are coming out with all the other things, saying that, remove this. But there are a lot of issues like a lot of things which are going on for the people that they're not doing, whichever they said they have to do, they're not doing it.
All right.
But they're going on with all the other kinds of things they are saying. But
All
the
right.
thing is, it's okay. But at the same time, they have to take the real issues to decorum, and they will have to take it to the parliament and just get the thing going. But they're not doing anything like that. But
all right. So here's a person from Trichy, Joshua, who says that he feels let down because the government is not taking up bigger issues, but people like Kalyan Singh are diverting the attention by putting into controversy the word Adhinayak, which emerges in the national anthem, and he wants that amended because he believes that it refers to the British. Let's also go across now to another caller who's joining us from Mumbai. Ashok, sir, go ahead.
Hi, good evening to you all. I'm shocked to hear this news that they're tampering with such a great national anthem of ours at this stage after 60 years of our independence. It is surprising that they are tampering with a word called Adhinayak. I'd like to tell them the Parliament House also is built by the British. Will they remove it? And they create a new Parliament House.
Okay.
I am shocked that these kind of trivial things are being highlighted in present day, which has no meaning in this present 21st century, where they think in terms of progress, they think in terms of many other things,
right?
And they're trivializing, and it's a dishonor to the great poet who has written this song and has been sung by every child of this country.
Okay.
I personally feel this is something which I don't think you should even highlight it on your channel.
Okay. In fact, we have one more caller who's joining us from Patna. Ranjan, go ahead.
I agree with the gentleman who was just talking that these trivial things should not be picked up media by media to sensationalize.
All right.
Number one. Number two, maybe he has talked it in forward, but number two, old timers will recall that in Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, his army, INA, had adopted this song with modifications. The first line was not there. And the same tune was, the song then read, Subh Chain ki barsa barse, Bharat Bhagya hai jaga, not Bharat Bhagya Vidhata. Netaji must have been aware of the word Adhinayak also.
Okay.
So there can be loud thinking, and that should not make me headlines.
All right. Let me put one point very clearly here. There's no attempt to sensationalize this issue. We picked this up clearly because this is a person, Kalyan Singh, who holds a responsible position. He represents the governor's office in Rajasthan, and he's made that statement asking for an amendment, and therefore it is an issue that definitely needs to be discussed.